Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We got my wife this coffee maker for her birthday. It's called, I hope I pronounced this right, Keurig. It's the one that makes the single cups with the pod. You pick your flavor, put the pod in, and make you a coffee. So I thought we'd unbox it, show you what it is. Let's see. Like it's standing up like this. See what we can do here. Here we go. Some booklet that came with it. There's where you put your pod in. Your cup here. Looks like you decide what size you want. I think it's 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce coffee. Depends on what size cup you want. Of course, the fewer ounces you use, the stronger it's going to be. Well, there it is. I think we'll open it, see what's in here. Ah, this is the instructions telling you how to use it. Anyway, there it is. I think let's see if we can make a cup of coffee, see how it comes out. Alright, we're going to cook us some coffee here. I got a cappuccino over here. Now here's your water holder. You can take it off, but I suggest you don't. There's a hole in the bottom that lets it go in and it'll all leak out. So fill your water container up to where it says max over there. Little mark on the side says max. Put your lid back on. Okay. Turn your power on. Give it a few minutes to heat up. You'll hear it. It'll quit making that noise when it's ready. So I better put a cup on it though, because it'll come out all over everything. Now you've got 3 cup sizes up there. A small, which is a regular coffee cup. Medium, which is this. It's about, I think that's 8 ounces. And the big cup, which is your mugs and stuff, that's probably 10 ounces, 12, something like that. Here's what we're going to make today. See where it says white chocolate caramel cappuccino. Just a little pod right there makes 1 cup. Do not open this. It does all that for you, okay? Ah, it heated up. Hear that? Lift your lid right here. Your pod goes in right here. Just like that. Pull that down, press that down. Now you pick your cup size. See, they're flashing. I'm going to pick the medium cup. Hear it making? There it comes. Smells good. Hear that? It's done. That's the medium cup. It came up to right about here. Okay? So I think now we'll take it over and try it to see how it tastes. Now you're done. When you're through, you want to put another one in. There's a little place right there to grab a hold of your pod. Take it out. There you are. Now you're ready for another cup. Okay, here we are. We've let it cool just a little bit because it is very hot. Let's see what it tastes like. Hey, that's pretty good. I'm not a real big coffee fan. That cappuccino is very good. You need to try these. These little pods, there's lots of different flavors out there. Just go to your grocery store, they'll have them all. Alright, well that's how you operate the coffee machine, the pod maker. And we'll see you next time.